Well, state Republicans are fighting back tonight following a bombshell ruling. A Dane County judge overturned Act 10, a controversial law passed in 2011 that sparked massive protest and deeply divided the state.
It stripped most public employees, including teachers, of their ability to collectively bargain for wages and other issues.
12 News' Nick Bohr live in the newsroom for us tonight. And Nick, state Republicans officially filed a notice of appeal.
Right. This is it, filed in the state Supreme Court, asking that ruling to be put on hold while the appeal process plays out. State Republicans passed Act 10 in 2011 as an effort to cut costs and reduce the burden on Wisconsin taxpayers. Police and firefighters, though, were exempt from the law. The Dane County judge ruled it was unconstitutional to separate public workers into two classes. Tonight, the fight continues. It was undoubtedly the most contentious time in the history of Wisconsin state legislature. Open protest in the chambers of the legislature by the legislators themselves.
This is what democracy looks like.
Outside, tens of thousands protested daily for a month before the Republican-led Senate and Assembly slashed collective bargaining for public employee unions.
How has life as a teacher changed in the past 13 years?
You know, the change of the law in 2011, I think for teachers like me, meant that we lost a say on some really important aspects of our workplace, right? And my working conditions as a teacher are also my students' learning conditions.
The head of WEAC, the state teachers union, is optimistic the ruling Monday by a Dane County judge will restore their say, but she tells 12 News she doesn't expect any immediate changes.
We know that it's one step forward in the legal legwork that is yet to come.
Assembly Speaker Robin Vos tells WISN 12 News they've already appealed and are seeking a stay of the judge's ruling, with former Governor Scott Walker telling us his legacy legislation should remain unchanged.
This law has saved taxpayers billions of dollars over the years. More importantly, more troubling going forward is the impact it'll have on our schools, on our students, and the impact it'll have on people seeking municipal and county services, because those resources will be drained out of the classroom and out of the services and into the hands of the union bosses.
So, Nick, membership in public sector unions did take a hit in the years following Act 10. The question now is, do they believe this would boost membership?
Absolutely. The union negotiations were basically limited to cost of living increases that didn't exceed inflation. So the value of union dues certainly took a hit. WEAC believes it would be a whole new ballgame if this ruling is allowed to stand.
Right. Certainly fascinating to see where this goes moving forward. Nick Bohr live in the newsroom for us tonight. Like we said, Act 10 first became law in 2011. This limited bargaining for public sector workers to only wage increases no greater than the inflation rate. It also required them to pay more for things like health insurance and other benefits. The fight thrust Wisconsin into the center of the battle over union rights. Act 10 also led to a recall attempt against then Governor Scott Walker in 2012. The Dane County judge who handed down yesterday's ruling, Jacob Frost, reportedly signed the petition to recall Walker before he was a judge. Numerous legal challenges have been filed challenging the law in state and federal courts. None of them succeeded until now. Coverage of the big story continues on the 12 News app. You can learn more about the history of this controversial 13-year-old law.